everyone, this is Sharon from Paper Crafts from the Heart. Welcome back to my channel. I have a short video here to show you the kits that I will be using during the month of February. The first one I'm going to be working with is carried over from January, and it is the Now and Forever collection from Close to My Heart. I have a little bit left of this kit, so I just want to go ahead and use it up and get it out of my collection. So I have the coordinating stamp set and thin cuts that go along with this kit. I have a few of the embroidered embellishments left here. And then I have quite a bit of a sticker sheet left, which is why I really want to try to get some more done with this kit. And then I have some of these butterflies that I stamped with the butterfly from the stamp set and then embossed with gold embossing powder. Let's see, I have the other part of the butterfly stamp there, and I'm going to try and use those up. And then I have quite a bit of scraps here, so maybe I can get some cards made with that. And then I have this heart paper, and then it's got this little design on the back, and then some more scraps down here at the bottom that I kind of want to get used up and just kind of moved out of the collection. So I should be able to get a few more layouts with that done, and I have quite a bit of the cardstock left, but if I don't use up the cardstock, that's okay. It can get moved into my cardstock collection. The next kit I'm going to be working with is the Storybook Scrapbooking Workshop, and I also added the Picture My Life cards and the digital collection to my order for this kit. And I really like this kit because it gives you both a boy and girl option with the layouts. You can see that here in the workshop guide that comes with it. There's, it shows you here the same layout, but you can either do a more girly version or the more boyish version for those. So I went ahead and bought the workshop kit. So it comes with 6 sheets of paper. This is the A side, and then it's got some little dots here on the branding strip, and then this is the B side of it. And then here's the next one, some stripes, and then the stars, and then this is the branding strip. And then there should be another sheet of paper here. Yes. This one is, I'm going to show you each one individually. It's like black and white cartoonish drawings, and this is the girly one with the rainbows and the unicorns. And then on the flip side, you have more dragons and swords and treasure chests and that type of thing. And then this is the main reason I like to get the workshop kits, because you get some exclusives in it. These exclusive die cut strips only come in the workshop kit. And then you get this whole sheet of punch outs that has stars on it here, and then this cute little circle with the hearts, and then just some little banners with some sayings on them. You shine so bright, and you are there. And then you also get another sheet that has all these little diamonds. They have a cute layout done with these, or you can always do your own thing with them. And then you also get some oh, here's more pattern papers that I forgot to show you. Is this one here, comes in the paper pack also. You can't really see the little diamonds on there, but they're there. And then the opposite side of that is the pink diamond thing. And again, these are one of the exclusive paper sheets that only come with the workshop. And then you get a striped one, and then one is done in you know, the girly side, and then the more boyish side. Like I said, these only come in the workshop kit. Then you can also get the sticker sheet. Now the sticker sheet you can get either in the workshop or you can purchase it in the paper and sticker sheet packet by itself. And then you also get the coordinating die cut or paperboard pieces, die cut pieces that come with this. And these paperboard pieces can also be purchased on their own. And then you also get a couple sheets of cardstock, some mulberry, 2 sheets of black, a sheet of paprika, a sheet of mist, a sheet of Seabrook, and then a sheet of honey butter. And then I also went, you also get the picture placeholders. So if you want to make your layouts before you have your pictures printed, you have the holders to hold your spots. And then I also purchased the Picture My Life cards. They come in a 4x6 and a 3x4. For designed mainly for pocket page scrapbooking, but you can also use them on your layouts to journal, or I've even cut the like the unicorn out and used it as embellishment and parts of it as a title. I use it to back my pictures as a photo mat, and they make great embellishments on cards too. So there's the A, and they double-sided as well. So these are all the 3x4 ones. And they go like landscape style and then portrait size, so that you can use that either way. This one's cute to put a little picture in. You could kind of snip right here so it comes over like a little clip. This one reminds me of like Beauty and the Beast, the little rose and the castle. This one's just a simple dot pattern, some stars. And then these are the 4x6 ones. This one has the diamond pattern again in black and white. And then in the melon color. This is like a castle wall style. And then a dot pattern. This one says Right Royal. And then this one says Fit for a King. These doodle flowers are cute too in this one. Living Like Royalty or Royal Treatment. That would be cute for a spa day. This would make a nice title. Slay the Day. And this one is just a castle. It's kind of hard to see in the white. You can see it better on the side. And this one is Always in My Heart. And here's all the princess things. And then all the prince things. And then the cute little dragon. There. And then this one says, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, do you know loved you are? And then it says the same thing on the other side in black. And then I also went ahead and purchased the digital collection for that. So I'm going to show you there. There's a digital layout, there's some cards, and then all kinds of different cuts that I'll probably use on my Cricut to create even more stuff to go along with this. And then I also did just recently order some of the little dots to add to it. I'm just waiting for my order to get here. It's been delayed due to weather. And then the last kit I'm going to work with during the month of February is the it's the Little Things Paper Pack Special. And I went ahead and bought the bundle for this, so I have all three: the mini album, the scrapbooking, and the card making workshop. I already kind of cut into it, and I have a better layout share video for this. I mean, not a layout share video, an unboxing video for this. So I'll link those so you can go back and watch that, because these pages are all mixed up now. But basically you get 24 sheets in the kit of double-sided paper. And again, you can buy the bundle that includes all three, workshops, the scrapbooking, the card making, and the mini album workshop, or you can buy each individually, and then you can buy the paper pack, the embellishments, and the stamp sets on their own also. These are the stickers from the card making kit here. And then these are some die cut half outs, and then the rest of the stickers. And then there's a whole baggie here of embellishments that I already kind of punched out. Like I said, you can go back and watch the other video and see those better. And then there is the stamp set here that goes with the card making kit. And then I have the stamp set that goes with the mini album here. And then there's also a stamp set for the scrapbooking workshop. And then there's a set of die cuts and for both the scrapbooking workshop and the mini album workshop, which you can see better again in the unboxing video. And then you get the same set of stickers with the mini album kit and the scrapbooking kit. So I'll just show you those real quick. The kits came with some cardstock, but it was only black and white. So I went ahead and kind of pulled that out of the kits, and I'm going to grab from what I have here on hand to add some colored cardstock to my layouts, and I'll let you know what I use and what colors and stuff in each of the layouts I made. So there you go. That is what I'm planning on working with in the month of February. I will be having an online virtual crap on Saturday, February 18th from 9 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it will be, the theme is a 6x6 paper pad party. So I will be using this, it's a Little Things collection. It is free to join, and you can use any kind of products you want. I will link the It's Little Things down below if you're interested in purchasing it. But basically, it'll be working with 6x6 paper pads to create all kinds of different size layouts, cards, mini album pages. And basically, you just need to, the challenge is to be using 6x6 pieces of paper or smaller. So if you don't have any 6x6 paper pads in your stash, go ahead and pull out your scraps and join me. If you have any questions about any of the products, please let me know. Enjoy your day.